So I've got a score here talking about slurs. And I'm going to go ahead and put some of these in. Usually what I do is I go down here, especially my score is very busy, just to make it easier for me. I'll go down to view options. I've got it set on clarinet. And I don't know, I've got it set on screen view. Sometimes that does make a difference. I don't know why. Depending on what view you are, depending on what you're doing. And I click on this little up arrow. I mean, there are different ways you can do this. But I always click on the up arrow. Click on the slur marking. Click on the first note. No, watch. Oh, there we go. I'm using a mouse, so I don't know if this is going to work. And I get that little orange slur that says to start to slur. And then I click on the last note. And I find that if I go down and click on the slur marking first, and then click on the note, or just a little bit before it maybe, it works. Alright, so I did it a couple times with the mouse. Let me try this with my finger. Tap on the slur marking, tap on the first note, tapped on the half note. I'm going to make this a longer one. So tap on the first note. Okay, I'm going to grab my Apple Pencil. Go down here, turn my pencil tool on. Draw it. Yep, see, even with that mezzo piano on there, it still worked. I'm not sure if it works across, like going... Oh yeah, see, that time it didn't work. Not working. So I'm going to turn my Apple Pencil off, tap on the slur, and first note, not working. It's fidgety. It really is. It took me a while to figure out how to do this. Oh, that did not go to the one I wanted it to. I'm doing this with my finger again, by the way. Tap it on the measure 15. I want it to go to the low G there. There we go. I tapped a little bit before it. First note, I want to go from this E. Let's go to the F. There we go. So I don't know if that helps, but I'm working on a first gen Apple Pencil. Let's try doing this with the pencil again. Nope. If I do one measure at a time, it works. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. But again, that's one of the reasons I like Notion, because if it doesn't work, I tap on the other note down there, or on the tool with my finger, and just put it in. And then I have two alternative methods of making it work. All right, I don't know. Hopefully that helps you out.